The valve's easier on the rear.
Yeah, we do rear front. We do front. So it's a Harley Dynaglide. All right.
Oh, the stem is in a stupid place.
Okay, step place is right there. We gotta hook up the power to it. So we did the jumper. I put it on the other post, and it started charging. When it's hooked up to the USB on the computer, there's no power, so it doesn't work. We were charging the battery really slowly. When you hook it up this way, it actually comes on. You can use it. Okay, so how much air is in that now?
I don't know.
We'll hook it up, should tell you. You read the instructions, didn't you?
Of course.
Yeah, your fender's loose too.
Yeah, I know.
Everything's loose on this bike.
Oh, it wasn't ready to come off.
There's a lever thing you have to straighten out, shove it on, and tighten the lever. There, that's very good job, sir.
Thank you.
Now you broke it. Did you kill the power? Did you unplug it?
Still on.
Oh, it isn't. It's right here.
Oh, right.
Someone killed the power. Oh, look at that. Works a lot better with the power's on. Yeah. You have to have a remote battery to make this work.
Oh.
36. How much you want?
36.
Oh, okay. Take that off. Pull it off. Yeah. Put it on ground. Let me have this. Now you're wasting no scratch up the carbon fiber. Can't do a test with a full tire. Thank you. So what year is this thing?
03.
03. All stock?
Yeah, pretty much.
That's what I thought. It looks stock.
I think it is. I think it might have a cam.
Maybe? Oh, okay. What kind of air you got?
Okay.
Did you let any out?
I think so.
What are you down to 2 pounds?
10.
10? You only got 9 pounds?
That's not what do we do. R?
I would set it to 35 or 6 or whatever number you
It's
want.
at 36.
What number you want?
36.
Is that where it was at?
Yeah.
Oh, it's pretty good. Turn it on then.
How?
I know you read the instructions. 35
Oh,
now.
motorcycle.
Doesn't matter what size tire it is.
Now there's a picture of a motorcycle at the top.
Oh, okay. Where?
Right there.
Oh, that's a motorcycle?
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. Okay, what'd you do? What
Press
button?
the power button
Where?
in the center.
The center button. You already had that on. Okay, they said it was noisy. Is it noisy?
It's a little noisy.
It's a little noisy. Good light going. Is it vibrating too?
It's vibrating.
Oh, all right.
It's a 2-in-1.
Girlfriend to be happy. So now it's going up in power. What's that number mean?
I think that's the seconds it'll take till it's done.
Oh, okay. Will that fit in your saddlebag? Or you don't have a saddlebag?
I don't know if that'll work.
Okay.
It'll fit in those moto pockets you're selling.
That's right. I had that little bag you can put up there between the risers up there. You only got 10 pounds of tire, I was safe. Okay. Looks like it's pumping up.
Pretty quick, too.
That's a small tire, but yeah. We'll hook it up to the trailer, so all I would say. If you start seeing smoke on your circuit, it is up now.
Not a good thing.
That's not an electric bus. They got the electric bus ones through here too. That ain't one of them. What size is this tire?
23, right?
23 what?
23 inch.
23 inch?
That's what's stock, right?
Yeah, I think so. So we're halfway there now, 26. How long does it take? That's been a minute.
Warm? Not warm.
Not getting hot?
Isolated.
The hose is still fairly cold too.
No, it's still
A little heat.
a little warm, yeah.
Yeah, normally the whole thing gets pretty hot. Down here we can heat.
Yeah, a little bit.
Down here. Yeah, the hose is still pretty cool. Barely feel it. Of course it's cool outside too. Let's keep it cool. We're at 30. Getting there. What's that, 35 or 6? 36.
We'll just fix a flat.
If you have a small hole.
If you got a puncture.
If you have a small hole, just leave it hooked up.
Just leave it hooked up. That's awesome.
Tape it to the rim.
Yeah. Just like this.
Yeah. Get it home. Just make sure it clears the caliper though.
Yeah.
Probably just put like a big screw through it to hold it on the screw.
Just screw it into the tire. Yeah.
Zip tie, you got no zip ties. We used them all up. Yeah. Oh, look at that. 0.5, 7, skip 6, 8, 9, 36.
Boom.
Stops right at 36.
Wow. Oh, now I'm at, now I'm at 20.
So you're at 20. All right, so what'd you think of that, sir?
Oh, that was pretty good. That was pretty good. Where do I buy one of these?
I like that.
Yeah.
I like that a lot.
Where you gotta...
I think the Amazon sells them.
Amazon?
You have to look on the YouTube video and tell you when to get it.
That's right, that's right.
Yeah, they're gonna give you a big cut. You know, I've never seen a cut yet from any of my videos.
Nobody's buying anything.
No, they just give me the tool to play with, and then I throw it in the corner and let somebody give it away to somebody.
Really nifty right there.
So I wonder how it works if it had a battery attached inside of it.
That's right.
So we got the.
You gotta lug around a battery.
You gotta bring a battery with you. Well, you got a bike, so. But you have jumpers too because it doesn't. You don't have a. You need a cigarette lighter. You know, if you had a cigarette lighter right there, you could.
I should do that.
You could have used this directly. I don't know why you didn't have one of those on your bike.
I should have. It's pretty much just your standard cruiser.
All right, so that wasn't too bad. It took about 3 minutes, 4 minutes to pump up. Yeah, maybe 5. I'm surprised it didn't get hot though. That is actually pretty good.
Yeah, I got one of those and it gets hot as hell. Yeah.
I know, that actually is pretty good.
I got the old school big motherfucker.
Yeah.
That plugs in the back of my
So,
truck right now.
Yeah. All right, so overall it looks like it, you know, I don't know why it came with a dead battery. That's kind of pretty crappy, but.
You'll have to plug in for like a good half hour.
But I had it plugged in with the USB for half. I didn't do nothing, but hooking it to that big battery right there made a big difference. But, so I don't know how long it's going to take to charge up, but we'll probably do another test on a bigger tire and see if it gets hot or not.
Follow Gastown Garage if you want to see this bike finished up.
We don't care about you. What are you doing? Are you scamming my video?
100%. I was planning on doing that since the beginning.
You're scamming my video.
I'm not telling them to buy nothing.
All right, well there you go. That's what a Honda looks like after you polish it up a little bit.
It's a gold wing actually.
There you go. Gold wing. Perfect.
No fairings.
All right, that's it for now. Yeah.